Foundation, we started with the notion that we can save a lot of lives in an easy process, where again a lot of deaths happen because of non-awareness. So that was the theme of it. Again, how can you save lives without medicine, without at least these things? That was the whole concept we started, and the first one we started was we saw that Maharashtra and AP were the biggest in suicidals. So we try to see why it is, and again, so before even we figure out, let's try to save some lives. Again, every day you wait, again you are losing lives. So we thought at least let's try to start the suicidal help desk first. So that was the first one that we started 2 years back. So again, with that kind of a success, with about 2,500 calls that we got, with multiple people, multiple lives saved, we said let's try to take it forward a little more. And then what we saw is, again, not everybody is calling our suicide help desk. Only people who feel suicidal are calling, but there are almost 10 crore people in India who are under depression. So if you don't at least treat that early, it will reach out to suicide, basically, again suicidal tendencies. So you have to catch that in a little early and try to take care of it. So that's where again we thought, no, there has to be a different way to tackle in the early stage of the person when they started feeling depression. Try to get hold of them and do something about it. So that was the whole idea of starting today, was a depression helpline, which will be managed by other specialists who understand the depression and help them, basically. Today, till today, again we have almost 2,500 plus calls that will come in. So again, and we have multiple people calling us saying, again, we got and help, lives got saved. I mean, depending on the severity of the case, again it has to be the person who can, if somebody is really want to do the suicide right away, so it should be a different person who should be tackling them, because as I told earlier, the first 1-2 minutes is very important. You have to stop them by telling something that they can understand or they can listen to. So that only experienced people can do that. So the counselors what we have are all with 15 years experience, who are only doing counseling all along. So because only they can do that, at least to stop them. And next step what we try to do is, at least try to analyze what it is, and we'll just ask them, just give us a chance for half an hour or 1 hour. If you still think that suicide is the only option, again afterwards that's your decision. But at least give us some time for about 10-15 minutes to listen to us, basically. So again, and that's where again what we saw, that again we have a lot of calls coming in 15, 16, 17 years. So we are solving them, but we said again, why even calls have to come to that stage? Why don't we go to school itself and start from when they are 10, 11, 12, 13 years only? So every month we are doing about at least 4 schools compulsory, where at least you go and at least do stress relief. Again, when you feel this is stress and this is how you have to handle, these are the options you have to think about. No, there is not only one option or only one answer. So you have to start from there to minimize people to come to this stage. So that is your root cause. So we're going to the root, and school is the main area, at least. So because we have other one also, road safety. So because of that, we go to at least 4 to 8 schools every month. So road safety awareness is a different program altogether that we've partnered with local Hyderabad police and all. But this one we do it on our own. Most of them related to relationship. Relationship could be, again, as I said, again, love fairy relationships, or your in-laws relationships, or at least again between parents itself, too much stress. We're asking somebody to get into a job. You are again, especially you graduated, get into the job. You're sitting 3 months. You're sitting 4 months. So these are all, again, end of the day, it's all relationship oriented stress that is causing them to think this. So it's all relationship oriented. About 10 to 7 every day, about Monday to Friday. So Saturday what we do is we go to the schools and do the programs, basically. So 6 people anytime, at least both. It's a combination of counselors and psychologists both. So as I said, the severe cases will go to psychiatrists, but normal cases it's psychologists and these 2 people. It's www.macrofoundation.com is one, and the other one is www.suicidehelpdesk.org. Both of them are there, because we are seeing it firsthand. So again, if we are not started, then we had those doubts also. Again, how many people again will really call? So we had those queries, but after seeing this for 2 years, and at least when 2,500 calls came in, then we know. But the concept, we know it will be successful, because a lot of people cannot talk to other people. Their family, they cannot talk if they have a problem, but they want to talk to somebody who can maintain confidentiality. So again, when that concept is there, then definitely it has to work. So people will want to talk to somebody, especially in India, again, because we're not that open society yet where we can talk anything to everybody and get some help. In US, if you go, again, suicide and at least again depression is a very common thing. So again, they talk openly, they talk to the doctor, they talk to their friends, I'm depressed, but here nobody talks. They want to talk to somebody who's again third party. So that with that concept we knew it will work. So that's how with our confidence we started. So I mean, we again, not just, rather than leaving it out, again, we call them after 3 months, 6 months to see how they are doing, because overnight you cannot solve. So that's why you have to continuously be saying that, no, we are here to help you. So our counselors, at least, again, they make sure, again, every day 3 to 4 or 3 to 5, they make the follow-up calls. How are you doing today? Again, have you done this? Have you done that? Whatever we told you. So the follow-up is very important, really. So, and when they call us also, and again, half of the calls we get is referrals, because somebody who got the help, they'll refer their friends or they'll refer somebody else. So again, that tells that it is working for us. So I mean, at least on the preventive health, again, we want to do if we can go nationwide in it. So we were planning to at least take it to the whole India, because it's not just Andhra Pradesh problem; it's a whole India problem. So how can we solve that? Because whole India, you have 13-14 crores of people suffering this. So that was our goal, at least see how we can help that base. Thank you very much.